Hello student, today we are going to study about conservation of momentum. First, listen carefully the statement of conservation of momentum. Conservation means to conserve, badle nahi, never change. That is the main meaning of conservation, that is to conserve, never change. And the conservation of momentum applicable for a two-body system. That means it states that for a two-body, for an isolated system, for a two-body system, the total momentum of the body conserved. That means it never change. We can say that अगर दो कार एक ही लेन में जा रहा है और एक ने दूसरे को हिट किया, सपोज दैट, तो इनिशियली उन दोनों के मोमेंटम जितने थे, द सम ऑफ द मोमेंटम ऑफ कार ए एंड द सम ऑफ द मोमेंटम एंड कार बी, दैट इज द टोटल इनिशियल मोमेंटम. आफ्टर कोलिजन maybe their separate momentum be changed. कार ए का मोमेंटम कुछ और हो जाएगा जितना पहले था, कार बी का मोमेंटम कुछ और हो जाएगा, बट द टोटल फाइनल मोमेंटम, दैट मीन्स द सम ऑफ द मोमेंटम ऑफ कार ए एंड द सम ऑफ द एंड कार बी is equal to its initial momentum. Clear? So conservation of momentum states that for an isolated system, isolated means if the system is fixed, that means two bodies, no and another body comes in between them. So it states that for an isolated system, the total momentum of the body never change if no any external force applied on it. Now let's see on the board. Today's topic is conservation of momentum. Here we draw a simple diagram. That means we take a two-body system, that is A and B. Here A and B are two body having masses m1 and m2, and they moves with the initial velocity. A is moving with u1 and B is moving with u2. Now, if we take a condition that u1 is greater than u2, if u1 is greater than u2, then body A hits the body B behind. Now the second figure, our second figure, that is both the body are collide together and they touch their surfaces for time t. And in that time, A apply the force Fa on B, and according to the third law, we know that B at the same time, B apply a force Fb on A. After collision, the body A moves with the velocity v1 and the body B moves with the velocity v2. Then we have to prove that P initial is equal to P final. That means the initial momentum, that means we can say that the initial momentum means the total initial momentum of A and B. That means m1 u1 plus m2 u2. And the final momentum of these two systems is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. We have to prove that these two are equal. That means initial momentum and final momentum are equal. Now, so we can say that as a consideration, let us consider a system of two body A and B having masses m1 and m2. They moves with the velocity u1 and v2 respectively. If we take a condition that u1 is greater than u2, then the body A hits the body B behind. and after collision for time t, they moves with the velocity v1 and v2 respectively. Now, according to Newton's second law, we can say that, Fa is equal to, by second law of motion, Fa is equal to, force is equal to change in momentum. So there is a change in the momentum of the body A. So that is equal to m1 v1 minus m1 u1 by time. It is for time t. This is equation first. And Fb, that is force applied by B, is equal to change in momentum in B with respect to time. So this is equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u2 by t. These two equations. This is due by the first law and by the second law of motion, that is Fa, that means force applied by body A, and that is force applied by body B. Now let's see. I just want to erase. Now according to third law, we have, now let's see, according to third law we have what? Fa is equal to minus Fb. Fa is equal to minus Fb. We can take also either minus Fa is equal to Fb. You may take negative any either Fa with Fb, because one force is just same value but opposite to each other. Now we get m1 v1 minus m1 u1 by t, that is negative, is equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u2 by t. Now dt cancel, minus m1 v1 minus plus m1 u1 is equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u2, or we can say also, let's see, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, or we can say this is initial, momentum initial is equal to momentum final proved. So we can say that for an isolated system, if no any external forces apply on a body, on the system of the body, then every time the initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. Clear? For today, thank you.